G'day guys, welcome to another vlog. We just hooked the trailer up, getting ready to head down and get the S13. But first of all, we have to do one of the more glamorous jobs here at the drift park and take all our bins in. I've got a very happy helper. She's a bit grumpy this morning, I don't know why. Girl thinks. But really stoked on the track at the moment. I don't know if you guys remember me talking about how when it rains it takes all the rubber off the bank and it looks totally different. Well, this now, that's the bank when it has rubber all over it. It looks way better when it's got rubber all over it and has like a lot of grip because the rubber down helps with consistency. Like it's very consistent grip from the asphalt to the concrete, and overall it's better when it's covered with rubber. But anyway, we're going to head down to the Gold Coast. We're going to pick up a special little piece I had 3D printed by my friend the other day. So I'm pretty excited about that, to show you guys that. And yeah, go pick up the 370Z, S13, and work out where we go with the S13 from there. Are you drifting? As much as she's like acting like she's cracking the shits, she's actually loving it. She was just drifting the bin then, and she's taken up on herself to go and take it over near the canteen where she knows one of them needs to go. I know a lot of you guys that do watch the channel are family guys. Those that aren't, man, kids change your life in such a good, positive way. I guess I got really lucky. I have two like absolute bloody legends that sleep reasonably well even from a baby, so I guess I've been very lucky from that point of view. But kids are unreal. They're just so much fun. Even when they've got the shits, they're just funny, you know. So she had the shits before. She had her legs crossed and arms crossed and a big pouty face, and yeah. Thank you. Gonna get hot chocolate? Or you don't want to get hot chocolate, Scarlett? Alright, quick stop in at my homie's Little Ship Cafe. Man, it's like the new spot. I'm sorry, coffee guy, I don't mean to be cheating on you, but the coffee here at Little Ship, it's bringing me back my Melbourne vibes. Alright, it's time, guys. Get to pick up the S13 with no rust. Look at that. All the body lines are sick. Oh, you even flared it up into there. That's sick. I like that. Like flaring it up into there. Yeah,
just to kind of follow the lines a little bit.
That's rad, dude.
And just tucked under the door.
That's so rad. Sick. Alright. Here we are on the trailer again. Happy to have it back. Now on to the next step, whatever that is. Put it away for a minute and reevaluate. Go straight to powder coating. Dunno, depends what I want to put people through. But we're getting closer. Alright, while we're down here on the Gold Coast, we're down here last time when we had to do a little drop off. See the man again.
How are you, mate?
The man with a plan. Oh, you even put double-sided tape on it.
It's ready to go.
Alright, this is what we got.
Original badge.
Original Nissan badge. You know what's funny? I actually showed GK Tech already. I gave him like a hint.
Yeah.
The first thing he goes to me, right? This is GK Tech, right? Oh, I bloody paid $70 for that.
Yeah.
The first thing he says is, I paid $70 for that. You could have told me. And I was like, well, I didn't know. Yeah, I didn't know someone was going to be bloody awesome and make us a custom badge. So, there we go, guys. Some sun on it. So, Luke, Fink & Co. and GK Tech in the middle. As you guys know, GK Tech's helping me out a bunch with this 370Z project. So, my way of showing a little bit of gratitude, and it's a super rad piece, and thank you so much.
No worries, man.
For
something big
sorting it out, and yeah, I'm stoked, man. This is going to be really cool on the car. I actually got to drift it last night with a lock kit in it, and it's sick.
It's nice.
Yeah, so rad. All right, we'll continue heading back to the Gold Coast, heading back to Brisbane. A couple more stops on the way, but we'll get there. It's so strange with this behind me right now. I'm getting so many funny looks on the highway and everything, like, because it just obviously looks like it's hovering, and stupid people can only see the fluoro straps. They don't see the straps that are holding the thing down. So when they're behind me, they just see a car hovering in the air with what looks like little motorbike straps.
Yeah.
But obviously this stops her from turning and yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, Rad.
Oh, good.
Thank you so much, sir.
No worries, man.
Alright, so I've got home now. I haven't gone and dropped the car off at the track, but I do have a couple of packages. I've come home to have some food. I've got a couple of packages I want to open up. I've been getting quite a few packages lately. This is stuff I ordered though, which I'm really stoked about. It's a quick release I got for the 370Z. So I'm curious to see what the quality's like on this, because it's another eBay one. I like me some eBay, but I'm trying to work out how to even work it, because I can't work it out.
Maybe can't work it until it's in the car.
Yeah, maybe not. Yeah, I don't know
You do
why.
like car pieces,
Stuff's not,
and you need
it's
car
not coming out. Hopefully it actually
You
works.
need and like car
We'll find out soon enough. But anyway, that's a quick release for the 370Z. This I'm really stoked about. This is from Tinkering on Toyotas. I'm really amped about this, guys. This is going to sort out the whole brake situation on the A86. I'm going to bust this open quickly. But this is a dual caliper setup to suit... Oh, there we go. Tinkering on Toyotas, guys. Oh. Tot. Tinkering on Toyotas. So massive thank you to these guys for coming to the rescue. These, I still need to, he said get them powder coated or paint them. He hadn't had a chance to put any coating on them. And I was impatient and really wanted them because I want to get the 8.6 going again. So these are, let's open it. This is a dual caliper kit to suit my Tarago axle. So I'm going to be able to bolt this directly onto the axle on the A86, and then I bolt VS Commodore calipers onto here, a pair of VS Commodore calipers, and an S13 disc, and I will officially be disc rear in my A86. So I am beyond stoked about that. Again, huge thank you to Tinkering on Toyotas, Tot. I had Tot in my head, but I was like, I don't want to say Tot. But yeah, Tinkering on Toyotas, guys, they do a lot of rad 8.6 stuff. And a place that has something like this on the shelf is insane. So obviously your axle sits nicely in there, which locates it. Then it bolts on, your axle goes on, and you just bolt your brakes on with an S13 caliper. I am super stoked. I can't wait to send Larkins a picture of this. He's going to be stoked as well, because this was doing our heads in. And we've got one more box, which I need to crack open. I don't know what this is. This might not even be car related. What is this? I had a little bit of a... Oh! I know what this is. What is that? Oh! Stickers for the kids' toy box.
Oh, yay!
So, from
How
Cubes,
exciting.
our friends at Cube Speed. Stickers for...
More stickers for our toy box!
More stickers for the toy box. I'll quickly open it up and have a look. What have we got? Oh, there's like a bunch of stickers in here.
It's funny because we asked for people to send stickers
There we
so
go.
we could...
Shift, yeah. And all the Cube Speed stuff. So that is rad.
So we could put them on the toy box, and then we started doing stickers,
Yeah.
and now all that underneath part is almost all of our stickers.
Of our own stickers, yes. But what I'm super amped about, this is a what do you call it? A cube shifter kit to suit my TR6060 for the S13. So that's going to be really cool. I don't have anything to open it with.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I don't have anything to open it with.
Thought maybe, I don't know, scissors?
Scissors? No. Okay, so this is my new shifter setup for my S13 convertible. So we're going with a full-on short shifter, which should eradicate a lot of my issues with the TR6060 changing horribly. And these guys have a kit which is going to take me too long to pull out, but everything's in here with basically a short shifter setup, and Scarlett's opening everything over there.
I am not.
Not opening everything, but yeah. So neat little setup.
I
think it's designed to keep the regular Commodore shifter on it. I wonder if I can change that to a regular style of shifter. If I can, oh yes. I should be able to change that to a regular style of gear knob, which will be nice to be able to make that work. Oh, you can actually adjust height and then lock it. This is a really cool piece. So that is going to go into the S13 with the TR6060 box. And they have assured me that it makes the shifting a lot nicer on that box because it's very industrial at the moment. So pretty amped to get that in there. We'll probably do a bit of a fit up with that in the next few days because the box is currently out of the car. It'd be good to, nice and easy to chuck it on to see exactly how it sits and do the whole fitment of it. So I'm excited to do that. Otherwise, I need to go to the shop. I'm going to buy brand new VS calipers because I don't want to muck around with second-hand calipers that mightn't be good. So full set of brand new rear VS calipers, and the 8.6 will be pretty much ready to go. I've got some GK Tech brake lines. I think I just need to get a brake bias adjuster and be able to get that whole situation under control. And otherwise, I need to work out if this is a dud or not, to see if I can get it apart and get this onto the 370Z, because I went and saw Trav earlier today, Stuntman Trav, and got a boss kit for 370. So all I need now is a steering wheel. You got any more stash? Have we got any more Nardi stashed?
I do.
You do? I need a Nardi.
Nope.
Mommy,
I have an immaculate Nardi. Mint. You're not having it.
Why not?
It's got the horn and the bolt cover and everything, and it's not the chrome, it's the black. Perfect, like brand new. I will, however, if someone can find me the unicorn I'm after, which is a brown leather Nardi, I will swap plus cash their way.
No. If you've got a brown leather Nardi, let me know. We'll buy it off you, and then I'll put the other one on the 370. Perfect. All right, let's go down to the track. Right, so we're at Cameron's Bodywork, guys. Obviously, this is where all the cool kids go. There's Benny from Kevin Bell's here with getting some work done on the, well, it's a little bit dusty, but sparkles. And you've done all your tube work in a nice sort of pewter grey. So I want to go essentially a very similar but a lighter grey with a bunch of Mr. Sparkle in it. So that's the idea. Who did that?
I don't know. That's a video.
Other side. Oh, jeez, look at that. She's got a few spots.
The guards hide all that.
Yeah.
I'll
What
put 'em
dents? Fixed.
Yeah.
Fixed. Did you ask her to do that job instead of him?
up. Hey, yeah.
Are you crazy?
Well, I'm gonna go back to work.
That's the work job. Tell your boss to get stuffed.
Well,
Alright, I'm out of here. I gotta go work.
peace.
So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna head back to the track now. Unfortunately, I can't leave this here now. I'll have to come back and drop it off at a later date. But I think I might be getting the interior painted here at Kevin Bell Mechanical. As much as Kevin Bell Mechanical, because I was just talking to him. Cameron's Bodyworks. As much as I wanted to go ahead with the, what's it called? Getting the car powder coated, I just decided the one thing a few people are trying to talk me out of powder coating because it chips easily. I guess the only real plus to powder coating is getting into a few little bits like where the roll cage sort of meets the roof part, and if it was a car with a roof, it would be more of an easy convince to go with powder coating. But because it doesn't have a roof, there's really not any spots that are advantageous for me to go powder coat versus paint. Paint is actually more durable and I can go a little bit cooler with the color. So my intention is to paint it now. I'll let you guys know exactly what color I end up going when the time comes. But yeah, I'm gonna take it back and get it put away under covers, and I don't know, in about a month's time we'll see this car again and bring it down here to Cameron's Bodyworks. A little bit of bodywork to do on the rear to get it straight and then hit it with paint. So we'll get there. Hey KB.
Literally.
Wasn't sure about the camera, was
It
he?
was a bit like...
Alright guys, time to put this new badge on the 370Z. Got to get it now. Pretty bloody excited, to be honest with you. I'm wrapped. It's gonna look good. Where is it? Here we go. UK Tech. Woohoo! Here we go. Alright, I gotta put it on properly. Right, there we go guys. There we go. Oh, need the sun to hit it right.
Wait,
Like you were just saying.
that's a sick idea.
What?
The blue. Just get the blue and with the
Inside it.
yeah.
Oh, there's something interesting. So I had some boys come here with a beamer. Hold on, I need to film this. Yeah. But when you're ready, just make sure you don't pull the whole front end off it. More. Yeah, you need to give it hits.
Forward. Right, now sliper and reverse is go.
Too much?
Too much.
A little bit too much.
Bit too much.
A little bit too much.
Think you center a little bit too hard there, bud.
You shouldn't have taken those bolts off, mate.
The front fell off.
Straight off the fucking studs.
Oh, that's alright. You can get a new one and just bolt it back on.
I don't need that.
Once you hit the fan.
Had a bloody flat tire on my trailer. Nail straight through it. You marked it, yeah, with the chalk?
Yep.
Sweet. So, to chuck a tag or something in that tomorrow. Always get so many bloody trailer punches. I get a bunch of trailer punches and Cheech gets just a bunch of punches. Does that sound about right, eh?
Sounds about right.
Yeah. I think it's just with these, like, industrial spec tyres should be able to handle a nail, but they can't. How cool is that? The car that they were just pulling the front out on the tree earlier, Cheech went and helped him out with some roof screws. Cheech loves a good roof screw. And they're back out there drifting. How cool is that? That is actually so cool. Alright, I'm just wrapped. He came here as a beginner driver. Cheech sort of told him he should probably just have a go in the middle section where he is now, and he got a bit too excited and ended up trying to do full track and bumped it into the wall. His front tyres are really sketchy. And yeah, then they pulled it on the tree, which ripped the whole front end off, and then Cheech helped him get the radiator back in there and some roof screws and a bumper and back out there drifting again, man. That is literally what it's about. Just do what you can, get back out on track. What you having?
Pizza.
Yeah, pizza? Well, I'm going to leave these things for tomorrow, as well as everything else. Thanks for watching this vlog, guys. Don't forget to grab yourself some merch, subscribe, think about becoming a member. Once I get up to a certain amount of members, I'm just literally going to turn the ads off. So if everyone wants to jump on as members, and I'll turn the friggin' ads off. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I fit it up. I'm in my car and I get it up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I fit it up. I'm in my car and I get it up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.